Hey everyone, how you doing? I'm Aditi from Saleshandy and today I'm happy to introduce a white label solution for lead generation agencies to keep your brand front and center. Now, whenever your clients access their campaigns and reports inside Saleshandy, they'll see your agency's logo, name, and domain. This consistent brand experience enhances trust and portrays a more professional and cohesive agency image. So let's quickly see how you can implement your branding in just a few steps inside Saleshandy. So now I'm inside my Sales Honey's dashboard and I'm simply going to navigate to settings from here and then go to white label. So the first thing that I'm going to do is configure the domain. So I'm going to go to domain configuration and then I'm just going to add a random domain that I want to show to my clients instead of this Sales Honey's domain. And then simply just go to, domain service provider and DNS settings and just add your CNAME record by copying this value there. So I'm just going to copy the value and the host as apps. And now I'm inside Namecheap, which is my domain provider. Simply go to manage for the domain that you want to configure and just click on advanced DNS from here. Now just simply go ahead and add the CNAME record. Just paste the value here and then just add the host that was apps and then just click on save changes. And now I'm going to go back to Sales Handy and click on setup domain to set up the domain. So now you can see that my domain setup is successfully completed. So I'm just going to click on this link to check if it has been or not. So now you can see instead of Sales Handy's domain, the domain that I just added is visible. So this gives more consistent branding experience to your clients. So apart from that, you can also go ahead and make name and logo branding yours. So simply just put the name here. So I've already put the name Ikigai and hit the save button. Once you do that, you will see the name is appearing here. You can put your agency's name and it will appear here. Similarly, I can also change the logos everywhere. So I'm just going to add the logo image that I want. So I'm just going to add this and then just going to hit the save button. So now if I'm going to refresh the screen, you can see the logo will appear here. Yeah, so whenever my clients will log in, for campaigns and reports, they will see the logo here instead of any other or Sales Handy's logo. Similarly, I can also change this icon logo here. So I'll once again go ahead and add the image and then I'm just going to adjust it till the icon because this is icon logo and you will see the image will be changed here. Look, the logo is appearing. Similarly, I can also change this favicon here. So just gonna add the file again and adjust it, as per the requirement of the logo, and then just hit the save button. So once that is done, you will see the favicon changing over here. So that is done. So this is how you can make Sales Handy truly yours and add your domain name and your logos and give your clients more consistent branding experience. Make sure that whatever name, domain, and logo you're adding all are same. I have just put random domain here to give you an example, but make sure your domain matches your name and your logo. So right now, let us know how it worked out for you. Thanks for watching.